our first fish on! Our first fish! Oh, it went off! Stuck. Here we have eels, bass, sea bass, striped bass. We have tiny blue sharks, but yeah, maybe some rays and red snapper. We have lots of fish here. But today the weather is not so good. But I think we might catch something like an eel.
We're going to show you a video of how it looks underwater. We're not sure if it works. This is our first time, but it will definitely be on our video on YouTube.
Yeah, the water temperature is 16, and the
it's about the same out here as well.
Yeah, the temperature outside is 18, so it's the 3rd of March, so it's not so bad. Here we have some seaweed. In really cool places. It looks like this here. This is where lots of fishermen get their prawns for fishing. It's really slippery, but we can still try.
Local fishermen.
Muito fish! Fish! Ah, they don't respond.
I don't think they understand.
It was good for today.
Yes. I think we're going home now.
Yeah.
We didn't catch any fish, but the season hasn't started yet. So.
Yeah, it was just an early try. But that was it for today.
Peace.
See you later.
We'll make a new video about every week. Depends on the weather.
Yeah. We fish if it rains. We don't care.
Our parents do.
We're the
Fisher bunch.